Take charge, and he hasn't done that. And it's a very, very well taken goal by Azpilicueta, who joined in that move and found the ball drop.
Attempted clearance with his head in the right back position that didn't get any kind of power or strength on it. But this was much more costly. Arsenal do get men behind, or at least get men chasing the ball, but this is all about him getting enough purchase on it, and he gets nowhere near enough. Should Fabianski be a little further out? We spoke about Joe Hart, didn't we, at Stamford Bridge on Sunday, and his part in that Fernando Torres goal. Maybe Fabianski could have been a little bit closer, but Jenkinson will hold his head up. It was a poor decision.
The tale of the two right backs. Azpilicueta gets
from the Spaniard. Thought this might have been ending up in the far corner. It's a really slack ball from Azpilicueta. I'm sure Schwarzer had his angles here, because it really did fizz past him.
Jenkins. His error is still a key moment of the match. A shot by Mata, and it's certainly going Chelsea's way now. A moment of quality takes them nearer the quarter-finals.
It's the way he supported the play that is impressive, the way he didn't get on top of it too quickly, just moves onto the ball. What a shot that is. Fabianski with very little chance. First touch does enough, and cutting across it, very much like Bruini's at Sunderland on Sunday. And that might just be that as far as this tie is concerned. Just at the time when Arsenal were pushing and probing and looking half threatening.
A message to Mourinho.